In this video, I will show with you how you can cancel your ilovepdf subscription. So all you have to do, go to your account and then go to this option, guys. Go to this option, your parameter here. So guys, the setting, go to the setting option and then go to your this option bill. If you want to see, I don't have any premium membership. So guys, if you have premium and if you don't have any option to cancellation, all you have to do, click this option and then click on this setting. From this one, go to ilovepdf and then scroll down. Let's see this option, contact us. From the contact us, write your name here. For example, this is my name, and then write your email address. Choose this topic, for example, invoice. Select invoice here and the message, write this one: hello, I would like to cancel my ilovepdf subscription and please confirm my cancellation has been processed. Write your name here and then write your name, guys, write your email address and then right click agree terms and conditions and then send a message and just await email from the support team to cancel or to guide you how you can do this without any problem. So guys, I have this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.